That's what I'm talking about. We paid $1,800, and this is 1/4 of the actual cost of the storage. This thing is locked. There's something in there. Maybe $100,000, maybe the coin collection, maybe all the gold coins. I don't know. There's something in this box right here.
Ooh. Ready? Set. Oh my God, Mike. I don't know if we can put that on camera.
Cost this human being minimum of $300,000, upwards of $500,000. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates. It's pirate time, and we are here. I'm waiting for my friends, YouTubers. We got today Locker Nuts. We got Storage Stalker. We got Treasure Hunting with Jeebus. We got Baby Jeebus, and we might even have Little Mama Stalker. Manny couldn't make it today. He had to go worry about a $6,000 storage unit he bought, which you'll see on his channel too. Comprando Despacito. Comprando Abandonos Despacito. I'm gonna get his name right. I apologize, Manny. I'm saying it because I'm not gonna chicken out. But we are about to embark on this $1,800. I think there is possibly 40 grand plus in toys in this storage unit. We will only know after we start getting through it. But as soon as they show up, we'll get started. I'm a pirate, so I'm always on the sea, ready to go. But before we get started, I want to show you guys something I just did. Look at this beauty right here. And this is the unveiling of my latest project. What you guys think? Tell me about this in the comment section. I spent a little bit of money on this, but advertising is everything in this world. And I went all in on this. My whole entire trailer is just wrapped. Logos, YouTube, etc., etc. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Storage Auction Pirate. Even got it in the front. So no matter which angle you're looking at, you're going to see the flag.
Oh, stuck.
Guys, really?
Are you ready? I'm just gonna punt it. No.
You're one of those kids that always wants to kick the ball when you're playing catch, huh? I hate that when you're playing catch with somebody, there's always that one kid who just wants to kick the football instead of throw it, and you got to run around. I hate that. I hate that kid. Been a hectic morning already. We got Alex, Jack, Liz, they're over there. While looking at Jack's video, we got stuff that needs to be filmed. It's been a kind of it's a hectic situation when you buy a storage unit. First thing you think about when you buy a storage unit is the value of everything in the storage and retaining that. Us as YouTubers, we're always trying to do other things because we're trying to make videos, etc., etc. And I like to make sure we don't lose any money. That's my main thing always, is trying to get the value and move quick, because YouTube takes half of our time. So we got stuff that's really good here. You could just tell by looking at it. Boxes are marked. They say train things or they weren't packed. So we're setting everything aside here that we feel we need to pack up. We're loading everything that we need to take to the market, because this doesn't have really any value. I was helping the littlest of Jeebuses, Mr. Baby Jeebus. So I missed a lot of these boxes. Hopefully Alex and whoever else was in there, Liz, going through trying to pull out the stuff that looks like, nah, they actually made it through and got the good stuff out, because I'm a meticulous pirate. I'm not saying that I have the most knowledge in the world when it comes to this stuff, but I have bought in so many units and touched so many millions of pieces that it's like hitting the equal sign on a calculator for me very often. I just see and know value instantly. And I'm very anal that I don't like stuff being overlooked. So hopefully we got this all worked out in the process. Jack, I see you over here filming.
Mike, yeah. I'm taking this.
Jack, I see you over filming.
Mike, I'm taking this home.
I don't know what that is, because we're filming and we can't let the world see. They're gonna have to go to Jack's channel to see what you took, right?
Something good.
No,
yeah.
Jack don't know I'm taking it. I'm stealing it.
Are you liking this unit so far, Jack?
I do. I like it. You guys seem to be finding better stuff than me. I'm finding a lot of $15, $20 items, but they're adding up. Okay, how many $25 items does it take to get to $1 million? 4,000.
40,000.
Or 40,000.
40,000.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't underestimate $20 and $25 bills. But don't forget to don't forget to go to this man's channel to watch some of the videos on what? Oh, the state quarters. I know I'm a party pooper, I'm a fun sucker, but now that means if they're silver dollars, fill a safe. Like I said, I got dibs in the safe. But what I am seeing, ladies and gentlemen, sneak peek. I'm seeing $500 items. What is it I always say? I always say that I like gold, silver, and gems. And that doesn't always necessarily mean that gold, silver, and gems come in the form of a mineral. They can just mean something that's very valuable. You always hunt treasures. And this is the type of stuff I love when you find right here. This is, in the world of trains, gold, silver, and gems. This box right here, I'm speculating. Well, I'm not speculating because I've already been looking up these things as I've been unloading them. And this one sold with the best offer of $575, and it says pre-owned. This one here sold pre-owned $499. This one here sold pre-owned $465. And then you have this one guy who was like, I'm going to be in a hurry to sell. And he let his sell for $461.78. But see how that number is? Chances are he let it bid. And when you let something like this go to auction and bid, you're always going to get far less. I think this right here, because it's pre-owned, is every bit of $500 to upwards of $750 sealed new in the box just for this one locomotive right here. That's what I'm talking about. We paid $1,800, and this is 1/4 of the actual cost of the storage unit. This one I haven't had a chance to look up. I'm going to do here in a second, but it's also, it's got a serial number. This one here is a DSPR. It is a 2028D. Ooh-wee, look at that. Denver Park Railroad, pre-owned 480, pre-owned 420. Actually, now that we're looking at this one says 605, it says 5 Christmas controllers, pre-owned 605. But this one here is sealed, new in the box, and I'm speculating once again that this is going to be $500. So basically, if you look at those two trains right here, let's put them back up all nice and pretty. If you look at those two trains, these two items right here, 2 items, Alex. This one right here is also a nice, it says numbered series. You think things that are numbered series are always going to be better, but that doesn't necessarily mean it to be true. Let's look it up real quick. This is how fast research does. This is like all you need to do to research this item listed on eBay. I can have this on eBay in the next 2 minutes if I wanted to, but I don't have that kind of time. Numbered set. I don't even see one of these. So there we go. 179.19 pre-owned. So basically what I'm hearing is this one here pre-owned is 200. We could probably get 300 for our sealed in the box. Wow. Then Pirates. This is what we got here, Pirates. This thing is locked. There's something in there. Maybe $100,000, maybe the coin collection, maybe all the gold coins. I don't know. There's something in this box right here that we're going to get to soon as I'm done looking some trains. Alex, I got you something for Christmas.
Cool.
I need you to open this. It's a Christmas present I got for you. Look. No, it's a real Christmas present. Oh.
It's a train. Gosh.
Can you open it for us?
Yeah.
It's for you for Christmas.
I just spent an hour digging it out.
Oh, did you want to film it?
Nope. Ready? I want to see what this kid got for Christmas. Holiday Express.
Wow.
Wow.
Are you excited or disappointed?
I'm excited. He's going to have at least $100.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's for you for Christmas. You got to take it home and put it around your tree.
Around the tree, does it?
Yes, it's made for around the Christmas tree. The Holiday Express animated trend set. See the little Christmas decorations?
$100.
All right. I can't give it to you for Christmas.
What?
I take it back. You can't have it for Christmas, Alex.
Told you. So 400?
It's about 3.
Told you.
400. All right. You can't have it. Sorry. I'm an Indian giver.
Boys down for a good breaking in. Grab that. Ow, that didn't work. Grab it again. With my handy dandy clampers. You squeeze as tight as you can, and then you just look at it.
I would go from underneath and pull
this.
up. Ooh, hold on a second. They say an apple a day. I got you a tool to wedge with. Get this in here and then maybe pry upwards or something.
Maybe if I go like this, right? Take that out. Yeah.
So you know what this reminds me of, ladies and gentlemen?
What does it remind
If
you?
you haven't seen this video, the day we try to fix a go-kart or a scooter. Oh, you just take this apart and you just
Hey,
pop
where's
the
your tool
disc.
that you gave
Yeah,
me?
this right here.
There you go. Thank you. You put this in here. And then you go
Oh,
like this, see?
this is how you jump start a scooter.
What scooter? Don't remember. Can't recall. Oh, wait. Watch your eyes. Nope.
Can you get in there, though? Underneath? I was trying to help you.
Oh, now you don't want to help me? Ready? Well, first off, the tools we got suck. Did you open your son? We just destroyed a $400
You gonna get your side?
case. Yep, right here, watch this. Uh-oh.
It's all Louis Vuitton.
Uh-oh.
Pirate Stalker, you know that is a $400 on eBay sold?
Is it?
Still got the tag?
Is it? I hope not. What was it?
Want me to do it?
Our tools suck. How'd you get your side open?
With the knife.
Cheater. Fucking eater.
Ooh, hold on. Oh, you say pumpkin, or I thought you said effing eater. Sorry, I thought you cussed. I heard pumpkin weird.
Ooh. Ooh. Ready? Set. Oh my God, Mike. I don't know if we can put that on camera.
We can't. Is it some of those photos again? Might just be.
It's just a man's briefcase from when he went to work when he was younger.
Don't underestimate. He's a pack ratter. Come on. Let's see it. 100 grand. Ooh, this is talk about my feelings. Yikes. Superior court. I was sued. Dang it. That's why I turned the camera around, because I wanted to see everybody look at my face and how disappointed I am.
We're just waiting on that. It's very important. I'll leave him a note. Sir, I wish you would have put some money in this briefcase, but for now, whatever.
Thanks for the trains.
All right. What do you want me to do?
I want you to go through these trains.
You want me to open
There's
the
2 trains here. Yeah, let's see what you got here. So far, those 2 trains are over half the money back. That one, we're almost in profit with just
That
these
one?
3 boxes.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, was it? Oh, he wants to take it out, ladies
There's
and gentlemen.
nothing on the side. You
All right.
can't see. You
Hold on a
wanna look
second.
at it? You hold that in, I'll hold this in. Ready, go.
Ooh.
Ooh. Tag team, back again.
Check to the back and let's begin.
Something just fell. You know what just fell? Something that is extremely valuable.
Ooh.
Smoking oil.
I
You
thought that
always will find these, but I guarantee you they will never have those in them, and that brings up the price a lot.
I thought that was lubricant.
No.
Is lubricant good to say on
This
YouTube?
thing is brand new. Should we even open it?
I need to see it.
Did we open it upside down?
We did. But wait a minute, you did.
Take 2. Oh, another smoke pack, Phil?
Oh, it's all the stuff that came out of here.
No, look. The little guy fell out.
Oh gosh, guys, we're horrible here. It came out of that pocket. It goes in the end there. We failed you. Stalker and Pipe failed again.
Oh, look at that.
Here it is.
Oh, there it is. Yep. Brand new, unopened.
What's the value on this one?
You know what I haven't had all day?
What?
My telephone.
Oh, I thought you were sitting here saying your lunch.
That either. See that? Been wearing gloves lately. Look how pretty them hands are. Thanks, guys, for the advice.
That's the one right there.
$336. Cha-ching.
It's 400 basically. In my
Okay,
world.
$436. Cha-ching. 400 in Mike's world. 300 in Stalker's worldwide because Mike hangs on and Stalker lets it go.
All right, but here's the thing. I think 1, 2, 3 still is close to profit.
Oh yeah.
But the 4 of these paid for the unit.
Where does
Let's see what this 5th one is. Jack, you got a knife?
Poor subject.
Poor set. What happened to Jack's knife?
Yesterday he let some irresponsible guy use it and don't know what
Let's
happened.
all think back to that time when Alex lost Uncle Michael's son's knife, and we heard about that for 4 months.
I didn't lose that knife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jack, you want to help him open as he struggles with getting these open safely?
Mine was just the one my girls bought me for my birthday one year. They said, "What do you want for your birthday, Dad?" I said, "You know, the only thing I really need is a knife." And
I didn't lose your knife,
I
Jack.
don't want a cheap one. I want a good one.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Give me a good one. Like,
I'm never gonna hear that. You know what?
Do you hear you hear Jack's voice cracking as he's telling this story because he's sad right now?
We have a C16 280 locomotive.
Remember, you have to pull it out because everybody likes to see them.
All right.
Ooh!
is that good?
You don't know.
Young tender, would you be mine? Ready for this train to slide behind? Ready to go train? All these trains are insane and cash in Maine. You like my new rapping?
No.
Like I was from 1985. We're inside the new.
What was your name in 1985?
I wasn't born yet.
Since you're rapping, can we air
Here we
that?
go. No, sir. Ooh. Ooh. What does it go for?
What do you think it goes for?
Let me scan that barcode.
I'm gonna put.
We don't need to. I already got it
See
looked
if I
up.
can beat Mike.
That's already done.
What?
Pre-owned, guys. It's $249.
$249. $355.
But that's pre-owned. This is brand sealed new, so I'm thinking
With
354.
the original.
I'm thinking 354. So let's just say like this. Let's say 400, 400, 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 250. What's that?
A lot of money, honey. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, you want me to add it up?
I probably should.
4, 8. Then we got plus 5.
It's 1,000, but they could be 1,400 because pre-owned sold 500.
We're gonna be safe. Say 1,200 and 800. That's $2,000 plus 250. That's 1,200. 25. 2,250.
And we paid what for the storage unit?
$18.
I want to tell you guys that this right here puts us in the profit. These 5 little boxes on the whole entire unit.
Alex, 3,500 to buy now.
No.
Congratulations.
Jackson trying to buy me out for what we found right here.
Guys, all I got to say is I love it when you buy a 10 by 20 full floor to roof, top to bottom, left to right, circumference completely taken care of. Couldn't squeeze the envelope in. Over 1,000 boxes probably, and 5 of them pay for the entire unit. 5. We got so much work to go, guys. There'll be a lot more videos coming from this. I hope you're excited because we saw just a lot just in this little tiny video. We got all this to film right here. Oh, the light's not working well. We got all that going to the flea market. We are pulling out boxes worth $20, $50, $100, $500 a box. It's nuts. Stay tuned. Don't forget to go to Locker Nuts channel, Storage Stalkers, Little Mama Stalkers, Treasure Hunting with Jeebus, Baby Jeebus, and Manny's channel, Comprando Despacito Bandidos, and we will put the links in the description. I love you. Whew. So before we get on to the rest of the videos in this and you check out everybody else's videos, I want to touch on something. Liz asked a very important question to Alex in his video the other day, and it got in my brain. She asked him, how much money do you think was spent on this unit? And we started really analyzing. First off, 2 units. One was $40,000 in rent. One was $60,000 in rent, give or take a few dollars. It was $100,000 in rent over the period of 33 years on those 2 units. Right off the bat. Then you have to factor in that there was probably anywhere from $200 minimum to upwards of $400 plus $1,000 in retail stuff this person bought over the period of 33 years. I'm thinking that that unit to be lost cost this human being minimum of $300,000, upwards of $500,000 just to buy this stuff, let it sit there, pay the rent, to end up losing it. That's why the most important things in life aren't things, ladies and gentlemen. Prime example why the most important things in life are not things. You work very hard for all that money to buy things and you never even get to enjoy them. Crazy. But we are treasure hunters. We are pirates. We are stalkers, storage hunting, locker nut type units. And I think we hit the jackpot.